Man, I can't believe how nasty it is out here today. I tell you. But you guys know, man, whenever it rains or whatever, hey, I don't mind the rain. I'm gonna turn you guys around here. Yeah, I don't mind the rain. So if we over here, Council told me to come on over today, man. I got to go to work later on, but he told me to come on over first thing in the morning so we can, so I can, hang out with him while he paints some of these parts. So we're about to go inside and of his place here, man, and see what he's already started on, because I know he's already, he probably got up around 6 o'clock just to start. But I tell you, one day I'll be able to be motivated, and just not only motivated, have the time to do the stuff that he has, man. This guy has built him an empire, man, and he's a good inspiration to me, man. So he motivates me, and he tell me I motivate him too, but this guy motivates me, man, and he gets me going. So I'm excited to see what he has. So I'm gonna switch you guys around so you guys can basically see and stuff. And in case you guys ain't noticed, Counts don't like the camera, so he's old school too. I'm old school, man, and I had to learn how to embrace the camera. Okay, but he ain't embracing it. So it's not that he ain't, but he just, he old school guy. So if I don't, show him on camera too much and stuff, it's just out of respect that, I know he really don't care about it, guys. All right, I'm sure you guys understand. So he done moved the car here. Yep, he done moved the car here. Poor man already painted the hood. He already got the doors. These are pieces he already, the hood there. Now he got a few places, a few pieces he still got to paint. Look, I hear him in there singing. He don't know I'm here yet. Man, look at those Kendig. Those came out good. Wow. I did not have copyright to this music that's playing in the background. It's actually radio station playing. All these pieces.
You look just like my ex-wife. I mean, you look exactly like her.
Get away from me, you pathetic, horny, loudmouth drop back!
You even sound just like her.
We'll come back out here, guys. We got this music playing, so I'll come back out here in a minute. You up? Those are the back skirt pieces right there. Now he's doing all the little pieces. And I don't want to walk around. I don't normally walk around because when you don't have a white suit on, that's how you get fish eye. A lot of people don't know that. You're walking around, especially when he's painting. So I always stay a distance whenever he's painting. He's painting all these little parts now. Those are pieces he's fabricated. I just want to show you guys this again. I'm about to get out of here. You got to go get paint supplies. Look at this here. Everything turned out awesome, didn't it? And this is the design he's doing on that thing here. How much money I got 100. Seatbelt on. All right, so we are heading out, guys, from old Count's place. He had to go run and get some paint supplies and stuff, some more paint supplies. I tell you what, and before he gets started with the other, he didn't want to get started with the other designs like the intake and the cover that he made, because he didn't have that much paint left. But I tell you, everything's turning out really fine, man. It turned out really good. It's just amazes me how awesome that's gonna look, you know. And I'm really loving that color, man. Like I said, I wasn't too fond of that color, but I really like that color. So we're gonna head out, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead into work. I don't open up until 10, and it's only 9 right now, so I got over here real early so I could check everything out, because he told me he was gonna be painting stuff. But hey, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, man. And I didn't want to make it too long, but don't forget to like and share this video, guys. I really appreciate all you guys subscribing to my channel. I'm really enjoying making these videos and you know, bring you guys some of the top content that I can, you know, actually produce and stuff. And, you know, I just love these old cars and stuff, and I love people that actually build them and everything. And I'm learning so much. Been around the you know, body work and painting and stuff, and I can also see my skills. I'm honing my skills so I can perfect my skills as well. And like I said, nothing's gonna be perfect. Just like Counts always tell me, it look good. He says it's not perfect by all means, you know. And I'm not trying to you know, reinvent the wheel. I just enjoy DIY, doing this stuff at the house, and not paying someone else all this money. And it takes a little bit more time to do it yourself, but I get so much more gratification from it, you know. So anyway, don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. So if you already subscribed to me, you get all the greatest and latest videos. And if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I promise you will not be let down, guys. And like I always tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar or fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I definitely will catch you guys on the next video.